does the Scarlet Letter mean? In the story, we find out that the Scarlet Letter stands for adultery, and those who have committed such evil deeds would forever wear it. The wearer is forever burdened with it, having everyone know of his or her sins. However, as the story goes on, we see the Scarlet Letter's meaning starting to change as Hester Prynne goes out. The three examples I found are these: how the people interpret her Scarlet Letter, how her position in society interprets it, and how her acts towards the people. My first point, I will discuss what the people think of it. The Scarlet Letter was supposed to humiliate the wearers, saying that those people had committed adultery. However, in chapter 13, Hester starts going to the houses of the poor, sick, and needy, helping them. Because of this, the people start referring to the letter A as Abel or angel. A letter once a symbol of being an outcast is now a symbol of respect. The second point is her status in society. In the story, there are three classes: a high class, a low class, and an outcast class. Once given the Scarlet Letter, Hester Prynne is immediately put into the outcast class, but as the story progresses, we see Hester starting to rise back into the upper class. Because of this, the letter A could stand for a position in society as an aristocrat. She regains her reputation as a fellow citizen with less attention to her Scarlet Letter than before, but she is still acknowledged for committing her sin. My third and final point is that the Scarlet Letter she wore could stand for the word amnesty. We get the word amnesty from the ancient Greek word amnestia, which means to pardon or to forgive. When Jesus was nailed to the cross by the crowd who put him there, he returned to save all, to pardon us all, to forgive us for all our wrongdoings. We see the same thing with Hester as she forgives the town and its people for the way they treated her and her daughter. So as I have mentioned, the Scarlet Letter has more than one meaning that they intended. It started out as an insult, a disgraceful item that she had to wear symbolizing her sin. But now it has grown into something with much more meaning to it. It becomes a word that describes herself as she helps people, earning her the word of Abel or angel. It could signify her position in society as she rises to a higher level as an aristocrat. And finally, it also can be shown in her forgiving attitude and ability to forgive and pardon others. These three reasons are why I personally think that there is more to the Scarlet Letter than meets the eye.